Hello guys, taking over the 2014 Math for Girls Problem 15. So there are two math exams called A and B. 2014 students took the A exam and or the B exam. Each student took one or both exams, so the total number of exam papers was between 2014 and 4028 inclusive. The score for each exam is an integer from 0 through 40. The average score of all the exam papers is 20. The grade for a student is the best score from one or both exams she took. The average grade of all the 2014 students was 14. Let G be the greatest number of students took both exams, and L be the least possible number. Alright, so we need to compute G minus L. Let's let X be the number of students that took both exams. And then we have 2014 minus X as the amount of students that took one exam. So the total amount of exams taken was 2x plus 2014 minus x. And this is equal to 2014 plus x. So this is the total amount of exams taken. And so the sum of all the exam papers is equal to 2014 plus x times 20. Okay, so now we have to use the average grade. That we need to use that information now. So the first sum includes the lower score that doesn't count for the grade. So each score is at most 40. So the first sum is at most 40x more than the second sum. So oh, sorry. No, that's less than. So what this represents is that since each score is at most 40, then we can infer that, for example, this is the total grades. This is just the grades that were accepted. Sorry, this is all the scores. This is all the grades that were accepted, and so that only the lower grade was accepted, and so that's why at most plus 40x. And so simplifying this, we can see that we have 6 times 2014 is less than or equal to 20x. And so x is roughly greater than 604 point something, so x is equal to 605. Alright, so now that that is handled, let's move on to the next section, which is the greatest. And so now what we have to do is that we have to compare the exam scores and the student grades. And so now we see that 2014 plus x times 20, and we want to find the minimum bound. And so realistically, the minimum bound is when both exam scores were the exact same, and that means that they can be as low as possible. And so for example, the scores include the second sum twice, but the grades only include it once. And so this is just greater than or equal to 2 times 14, 2014. And so this gives 2014 plus x is less than or equal to 14. So x is less than or equal to 13 times 2014 over 10. And so, sorry, not 14. Six. Oh wait, no. Sorry, what am I doing? 8. And this is over 20. And so x is less than or equal to 805 point something. So then x is equal to 805. So x is equal to 805 minus 605 for a nice clean answer of 200. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and peace.